Hey guys, this is Anthony Tejada, and I got a question for you. Are you ready to invest in your future? Are you ready to get into the vacation market? Stay with me. I got something great to show you. Find your perfect resort-style vacation home or zoned short-term rental in this specific community. Explore the collection of brand new construction home designs ranging from 5 to 9 bedrooms and 3.5 to 6 bathrooms, all including lofts. Enjoy the proximity to world-class attractions, the famous Florida sunshine, and abundant shopping and dining. Starting base price in this community is in the mid-300s. Low maintenance is included, so you can also enjoy your maintenance-free vacation home with little worries. This particular vacation home is a 8-bedroom, 6-bath, 4,034 square foot home. Starting prices for this model is in the low 500s. This home greets you with a grand entrance and a soaring 2-story foyer. This is a vacation home built for entertaining, boasting an inviting open concept design kitchen, dining, and gathering area. The 12-foot sliding glass doors open into the covered lanai courtyard and private pool. Perfect for indoor and outdoor entertaining. It's in the details. Great for investment purposes or as a private family vacation home. This home is by all means a winner. With the loft space upstairs, you can enjoy your vacation anywhere in the home. Step inside this home to see the life-tested home designs with more usable space where you want it most, so you vacation and live the way you want to. Hey guys, so if you love this home, if it fits your vacation needs or your investment needs even, give me a call. 321-442-0102. This is Anthony Tejada, shattering your expectations.